Can you hear me? I don't know if you can hear me, yes or no. But yep. Hello. Hello everyone. Can you guys hear me right now? Is it check? Please tell me in the chat if you guys are able to hear me properly. Someone is trying to call me up, but yep. Thank you. Am I audible to every one of you properly? So please tell me in the chat. Someone is trying to call me here. Akshay More. Fine, बाद में करेंगे. Okay. So what we have to do right now today is, let me open YouTube first. I'm not able to see your chat properly. Once I'm able to see your chat, then I'll go ahead. Okay. Hi everyone. How are you all? Shit. Fine. Hey everyone. I hope you all are like doing good. Today is Wednesday. Today is day 2 of my Alexa is talking from there, like whatever I am speaking here, my Alexa is talking there, so that's the reason I was like getting distracted. Okay, so how many of you are here right now? I think I can see a count of somewhere around 65, 70, 80, something. Okay, today is Wednesday. Today's our entire agenda is all about first and foremost thing, we have to complete Python today, and then tomorrow we need to start our basic data science kind of stuff in data analytics kind of a stuff, where we will be discussing about like exploratory data analysis. That's what I think tomorrow's agenda is all about. So let me just go ahead and share my screen. If you are able to see, please tell me that. Please give me a heads up if you are able to see my screen. अगर आपको मेरा screen दिख रहा है तो मुझे एक बार बताओ, ठीक है? And then we will start. Can you see my screen, guys? है ना? Okay, is my voice audible properly? मेरा voice is audible right now, right? I hope my voice is totally audible and it is very clear. And today the number one thing that we will be completing is like control statements, functions and modules. Then we will be creating a basic application, a small Python application, and post our Python application is completed, we will then finish our today's class. So today is 1.5 hours. We are going to finish till here. It's not a calculator app that we'll be building. We'll be building something more than that. Okay, so today's our entire conversation is going to revolve around control statements and functions and modules. Okay, so I hope you guys are able to. Where is my this thing? FCS. Okay. I have got so many notes, and someone were asking you, someone of you were asking me, ki sir, can you share us these notes, yes or no? I can surely share these notes, that's for sure. But before even we go ahead, there is a single document here. In this document, if you have not yet registered, you can find a step-by-step process how you can register in this particular program. आप इस program में कैसे register कर सकते हो वो आपको यहाँ दिख जाएगा. Then we have got notes for the entire 5 days. We have got all the notes here. Okay, you can just go and check out each day notes. For example, today I'm teaching you control structures. So what is condition, everything, loops, while loops. Okay, all of this thing is mentioned in these notes. Even if I miss out any of such topics like which are very important in nature, but I am missing out on that, you can still go ahead and refer to these notes and get this topic done. Are we clear? Done? Sure? Can we go ahead? Please tell me. I need lots of momentum coming into the chat so that we can start our control structures right now. Okay, so here is all about if, elif, else. Okay, so what is this control structure? Let me reconnect my Google Colab and select a text, new section, day 2, control day 2. Fine, I'll just put day 2. Then we'll just start here. Where do we use control structure? अपन control structures कहाँ use करते हैं? Where do we use control structure in our day-to-day thing? For example, let's take a live example. If India wins, India didn't win World Cup, but let us assume that India was about to win the World Cup. So if India wins World Cup, how many World Cups will अभी तक इंडिया ने कितने वर्ल्ड कप जीते हैं यार? प्लीज टेल मी इन द चैट. आई थिंक ओनली टू वन डे वर्ल्ड कप्स, राइट? और 2 only, right? It is. I'm not considering T20. I think only 2 World Cups. So if this World Cup they won, the count would have gone to 3 instead of 2. So that's the one kind of a use case. But इसका और अच्छा simplification is, if there is a wall in front of me and I am driving a car at a speed of let's say some 100 km/h and there is a road blockage in front of me, automatically my brain is like, here I need to brake, I need to press on the brake to stop the car. Agree? Yes or no? Okay, if you are driving car at 100 km/h and some vehicle is braking in front of you, you are seeing a red color light somewhere, what will you do? You will just brake, right? You automatically, the reaction is like brake. That's what, right? If else, if the road is clear, put the pedal, press the accelerator pedal, or else just go ahead and just go ahead and like press on the brake if you're not confident about like will this car, is my road clear, yes or no? Are we clear? Yes or no? Attendance link, everyone is asking me attendance link is in the description. Just go check it out. In the description it is written very clearly. I will not mention this one more time. I need to focus on teaching, so let's just focus on teaching. Okay, now if else. Okay, so where do we use if else? I gave 2 examples. If India won World Cup this year, the tally of India World Cups were supposed to be 3, but till it is only 2 because we just lost it by misfate or something. Okay, but coming back to the other example, that is of braking and all. So how to use certain things in programming with the help of if else. If else कैसे करते हैं? How to write these kind of statements in in Python programming, that is using if else. Let's see that. Okay, so taking a variable. What is a variable? Please define it in the chat. I need the answer in the chat. What do you mean by variable? What is data type? I need these 2 things in the chat. Go ahead, fatafat. Okay, number 1 thing is like a variable name. It's like World Cup is equal to 2 if, and one more variable I'll take, that is India 1 is equal to true. If India 1. Okay, you can do it this way also. If India 1 equal to true, although it is not the right way of doing it, but still I am doing it for you guys to understand it better. If India 1 equal to true, then print. Okay, before print I want to do something, that is World Cup is equal to World Cup plus 1. Else print India lost. India has now got, okay, India has now got how many World Cups? Let's just write it down properly. India has now got World Cup. This is the variable, World Cup. You will be like, what is this? This is a print statement. अच्छा, India 1 defined नहीं है. Okay, so India has got 3 World Cups. So this World Cup, this 3 is getting printed from where? This 3 is getting printed from this particular variable name. Okay, if India 1 is equal to true, that's where this will print like, hey, India has got 3 World Cups. Or else what it will do, if I do it false false, what will happen? It will say India lost. Now what is the syntax, how it is working? Okay, how it is working? So please tell me in the chat how this whole thing is working. Okay, wow, very nice yaar. Every one of you are actually answering what is a variable and what is a like what we say data type and all, right? So I really like the example that data type is a container, okay, and this container to define new instances of a container, you use new variables, and you can store any kind of containers type data. If the container is of integer, then we will store only integers, int. If the container is of float, then we will only store that is float. Okay, so that's how this entire system works. Okay, now coming back to, okay, now coming back to the entire this thing that we are talking about, basic if else. That's what we have completed. Now what is the syntax? Syntax is, first you have to write down if, simple. This is the condition. Okay, this is the condition. If this condition is true, then here's where the program will run this inner block. Okay, true block. Agar ye condition true hua, if this condition is true, the program will run this child block. If this condition is false, the program will run this block. Are we clear? Done? Sorted? If else, we are super sorted. Yes or no? So please tell me in the chat right now. Just go ahead. Fadafat. Every one of you. I need the answers coming into the chat right now. Okay. Please mention whatever I've just mentioned, right? Whatever I've just said, please write it down in the chat. If this condition is there, then that's it. It will say true, or else if it is false, then it will go to else. Now there is something different, some other condition which is there present in our world. What is that condition? That condition is like, if there are 3 conditions, like for example, you have been using this thing your entire life. Okay, entire life we are seeing this. For example, if Sai scores, if Sai score 80 out of 100, then Sai grade is B grade or A grade, I don't know, you tell me. Okay, so some grade, right? Either B or either A. Okay, now coming towards the other part. That is like, if Sai scores more than 60, then it is, I think, C grade. If Sai scores less than 60 or like less than 50, then it is E grade. Okay, so this 2-3 parameters. If not this, then this. If not this, then this. If not this, then this. Not even this, then whatever is remaining. Clear? Done? This is a different kind of a condition. Agree, every one of you, all the people who are doing if else for the very first time. If there are multiple conditions in the one statement, if the car, like for example, I just gave you your basic example is grade system. If the grades are working fine, I mean, if the grade is 80, it's A. If the grade is 70, then it is B. If the grade is 60, then it is C. Then it is D. Then it is E. Okay. So we will just write down here one more use case. Then we will see if, elif, else. Okay. Now here the entire condition is score is equal to 60. Okay. If score is greater than equal to 90, then what it is? You got a grade. Okay. Elif score is greater than equal to 80. I think first is A plus, na? I don't remember here. Okay, then one more. If score is greater than equal to 70, then you have got this thing, that is B grade. Elif score is greater than equal to 60, then it is C grade. Elif score is greater than equal to 50, then print you got D grade. Okay. One last condition I'll put, and that's it. Else jao bhaiya, वापस पढ़ो, go learn again, or else there is a new trend which is running, right? Moe. Sorry. Okay, so fine. So that's it. So see, you have got these all things, that is elif. Okay, if, elif, else. Now if I change the score to 91, okay, and that's where A plus it is. Okay. Oh shit, yeah. Here there is error. Okay, there is error. Fine. So if the score is 91, okay, near 50 spelling mistake. Got it. Every one of you. Done. So if I get less than 40, less than, let's say 50, that is 49, then I'm getting how much? Then what is the number? The number is, the result is moe. I don't know what this meme is all about. It's like kind of gaya, right? I don't know what is this entire meme about. Can you please tell me in the chat, like, y equal to equal to? Okay, someone is asking me y double equal to. This condition, this double signs are known as comparison operator. Just go ahead and check out on Google after this session. You will find out like list of comparison operators that you can use. Okay, clear? Fine, done. Now let's just go ahead to the next thing. What is next after control structures? Statements ho gaya bhaiya. Okay, if else ho gaya. Then loops. Okay, then we have got an interesting topic, that is loops. Loops are a big part of our life, you know. They are something like where until unless you don't pass your first class, you can't go to second class. Okay, no yaar, in first class they give you grace marks, right? Grace marks milta hai na. Now give me any topic, I'll give you an example related to that topic. Okay, give me a topic in the chat. I will use that thing for your this thing. Okay, for giving you this entire example. Okay, I'm just waiting. I don't see. No, I think we know. But why? For example, okay. For example, loops. Where do we use loops? I'll take a different kind of an example. Okay, I don't know how many boys are there in this chat. Okay, I don't know how many boys are there in this chat. I'll take an example on boys only. That is, unless that girl is not saying me yes, I'm not going to leave her. Okay, I'm gonna be behind her. There are certain other conditions, other boys in the world who are like, it doesn't matter, I'm gonna leave and go. Okay, so all these people are like iterating, they are reiterating. They're like, I'll be just doing this, I'll be just doing this. जब तक हाँ नहीं बोलेगी तब तक मैं पीछा नहीं छोड़ूंगा. Kind of, अरे यार ना बोल रही छोड़ो, सुनो बात, आगे बढ़ो. Kind of things are also there. But yeah, so that is one basic human tendency. Like this, there is one more example I'll give you. Unless we don't win certain marks or like certain competition, I don't want to give up. I want to compete again and again and again and again and again. Right? So that's again. And one more example is like reels. And unless you don't stop it, it is not stopping. It will play the same reel again. It's like unless you don't stop it, it will play. It's dead scrolling. Okay, it is known as dead scrolling or like doom scrolling. Okay, so that is the entire part. Now that is a loop. Now there are two types of loops. One is we know where to end at the very beginning. Okay, that's one kind of a loop. The other kind of a loop is it is dynamic in nature. Okay, and that's where we need to stop, or that's where we need to exit. So one is like where we know initially, that kind of a loop. The other loop is where we don't know, there we need dynamic looping. That is the second. So these are two different types of loops. कि हाँ हमको पता है कि ये लड़की अगर हमें 10 दिन मना करेगी तो हम इसको ख़त्म ना बोल के आगे बढ़ेंगे. The second condition is कि like यार no, even if this girl says unless this girl doesn't say yes to me, I'll be behind her. Okay, I mean obviously there is a definite time bound there, but it's okay. So these are two kinds of boys in the life. So for the first boy, it is like, I know yaar, I'll try out for like 10 days, it's not working. I'll try out forever unless it doesn't work. So two kinds of like again loop here. So we'll use them and see, okay, in real life. So one is known as like entry controlled and one is known as dynamically controlled kind of a loop. This is my language. Don't use it in any interview, but you can explain it while you are using it in front of an interviewer. Okay, so are you guys with me? My network is all good, right? My camera is all good. My audio is all good. I hope everything is working fine today. And I just hope it doesn't crashes. If it crashes, close it, come back again within one time. I'll be there. Don't worry. Okay. So, fine. So the first one is a for loop. We'll just build something like a for loop right now. Let's just go crazy fast in building a for loop. I want to print from 1 to 10. How I can print 1 to 10? Okay, before even printing 1 to 10, let's go one step up. That is like create a list. I don't know how many of you have built a list till now, but I will create I gave you an assignment. I don't know how many of you have completed it, but I am giving a list item. Okay. You all know what is a list, right, in Python. You all know what is a list in Python. Please tell me in the chat. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Right now, fadafat. Okay. Now LT is nothing just but a list. Okay. In list, we have got all the items which are listed. Now for I in LT. Okay. Print I. Fine. So see. What is this doing? It is basically printing me all the items individually. Okay, all the items individually. Okay, so it is basically, this is LT. LT is a iterable object. This iterable object can store literally any kind of data type. It can store list also. Okay, list can store list also. Fine. So a list is nothing just but a kind of what we say, an array. You call it an array in C++ or in a C or in a Java. That's what we call it in Python as list. List is nothing just but it's a collection of it's a sequenced collection of objects. These objects can be any object. It can be list, it can be integer, it can be string, it can be boolean, it can be dictionary, it can be set, it can be tuple, anything. Are we clear? Done. What is a list? Are we clear? So please tell me in the chat right now. Now, getting back to the point, what is the syntax of a for loop? What is the syntax of a for loop? For loop is like for FOR temporary variable. This is temporary variable. You can write down anything, but you need to use same variable name in the child block. Okay. If I want to print the same thing 3 times, let's say I will write the same code. Okay. Temp. This is just, but I'm just showing you like, this is how it works. Okay. This is how it works. LT is nothing just but the iterable object. What is LT? Type of LT, like I have taught you now how to check what is the type of an object. Okay. So type LT will give you an output that is list. Are we clear? Everyone is with me till so far? Everyone. Sure, right? Done. I want this thing to be engaging so that we can go ahead one thing at one time. So now for temporary variable in whatever the iterable object is, okay, and whatever the inner code block is. Here is the inner code block. Okay, run this. You will find the entire. See, 1 is printing 3 times, 2, 5, 6, 7. It has iterated it. Done? Clear? Sorted? That's how easy a for loop is. Okay. Now we will go to a while loop. For loop done. Everyone, please write down for done. Okay. For loop done. Kind something in the chat right now. In the chat, write down this so that I am very clear in my mind. Ki, you guys are done. Now let's just go to while loop. Okay. Now, what the hell is while loop? Okay. So while loop is like that other kind of a guy. Ki yaar, I don't know, until unless this girl doesn't, absolutely until unless वो घर का पप्पा नहीं आ रहा, भाई नहीं आ रहा, कोई और नहीं आ रहा, जब तक इसका दूसरा बॉयफ्रेंड नहीं बन रहा, तब तक मैं पीछा नहीं छोड़ूंगा. This loop is that loop. Okay, it is totally controlled dynamically. This is like very tight in nature. It knows exit कहाँ है. Okay, so see here, it's like for temp in list, there's an end to the list. There are only 10 items in the list. If the 10th item hits, it has to exit. From the very start of the code, we know where the exit is. Okay, but here we don't know what the exit is going to be. Two more examples I'll give you. One example is Ludo. You all have played Ludo in COVID, and still you may be playing Ludo, right? If you all are playing Ludo, then in Ludo, whenever you are done with a game, the pop-up will come. Do you want to continue? Do you want to play again? You hit yes, it will again load. It will ask you again, do you want to continue? You hit again yes, it will continue. It will ask you again towards the end. You want to continue? You say no, then only you will exit. Are we clear? Done? That is known as dynamically controlled loops, or like exit controlled loops. Clear? Done. So I hope every one of you are sorted by this one Ludo example. One more example came to my mind, but I just forgot it. It's fine. Okay. So while loop. Wanna play again is equal to true, or like we will write down something like y. Like why to complicate, we'll just put it y small. While wanna play again equal to y. Okay, then here ask the user input, do you want to play again, yes or no. Okay, done. So we are done with this particular part. It will ask you, do you want to play again? I'll say yes. It will again play, and it says, you want to play again? Yes. It will ask you again, you want to play again? Yes. Then you say no. Then it will exit. See, exit done. Now what is this entire code? Many of you guys will be like, sir, इतना बड़ा क्या लिखा है, समझ नहीं आ रहा. Okay, so fine, we'll just explain you one by one. This is like nothing just but this is variable declaration, and here it's a while syntax, while and condition. If this condition is true, it will go inside the body. If the condition is not true, it will exit. Are we clear? Done. If this condition is true, then it will get into this inner body, or else it will exit directly. Are we clear? Done. Every one of you, can you give me a thumbs up or a fire or something in the chat so that I am very clear about you guys are getting it, yes or a no. Okay, fine. Now I have a question for you. You all know that we have used else here, right? Here we have used else. If this is true, then you go here, else you go here. Agree? We all have used else. We all have used else right now, yes or no? So please tell me in the chat. Okay, if we all have used else, then I need you to tell me, can for loop have else block? Can for loop have a else block? Can while loop have a else block? Okay, tell me in the chat. Tell me in the chat, every one of you. Okay, do you think for loop can have a else block like this? Else print this is done. Okay, this loop is done. See, it is working. You all have said no, it is not possible. No, it is possible. In Python, you can have an else block for a for loop also. Okay, you can have an else block for a for loop also. Now we will check out with a while loop. Okay, we'll check out with a while loop. Do you think while loop will have a else block? While loop will have a else block, yes or a no? Tell me in the chat. We exited the game. Tell me, will while loop have a else block? Okay, many of you guys are saying yeah. No. But yeah, it also has a else block. Okay, it also has a else block. Okay, it has a else block. Even while loop has a else block. Clear? So sorted, every one of you? Done? Pakka. Okay, now what is next? What is next? You want to do any kind of a code that in Python. Do you want to code something in Python using for loop or a while loop? Anything, any such college assignment that you remember, or any of the problem statements which you think that we can solve in next 5 minutes. Tell me in the chat. We'll solve it together. Then we'll go ahead. Any doubts so far? Please tell me in the chat. Any doubts so far? I am looking forward to your doubts. Any doubts? I'm actually looking forward to your doubts, so that if you have any, I'll clear it up, or else we can go ahead. What else? Nothing? No questions? Yeah, Ali Maz is asking time series problem. I actually don't know time series problem. I have not solved it myself, and that's the reason. Using this basic things, I don't know how to do. So that is one thing, Ali. I hope you understand. I need to first understand the problem statement, so that then I can solve it. Okay. So everyone is saying pattern problem. Okay, so is pattern problem such a difficult thing? Is pattern such a difficult thing? Okay. Tomorrow anyways we are gonna use this thing, but today some basic stuff, very basic stuff. Prime number, everyone has spammed the chat with prime number. Is prime number such a difficult thing? You want me to give it a try in front of you right now? You will understand, like, if my sir knows it, yes or no. Okay. Prime number it is. Let's just go ahead. Even and odd is so super easy, yaar. Prime. Okay, fine, yaar. I don't want you guys to distract with this. I know the logic of prime number. I'm not saying I'm not skipping it because I don't know or something. I know it very easily. It's like n divided by any of its, like, the numbers which is less than that. If it is that, then don't show it as a prime number. If it is not divisible by 2 to n minus 1, then it is show it as, yes, it's a prime number. Okay, not divisible, then only. Okay, so but for the moment, let's take a smaller example. But if even odd is nothing, just, but it's not a for loop question, yaar. Fine, let's just do prime number. Okay, fine. Prime number, 4-5 minutes max. Enter a number. Number is equal to input. Okay, enter a number. Fine. So is this taking a number or is it giving you a string? So check it out. This will 100% give you a string. So you need to type convert it, typecast it, and you need to wrap it in a int. So what we have done is we have converted it into int. So now when you do 45, this will give you without those things. Clear? I took a number 45. Now for no. For we need to check, right, if 45 is a prime number, yes or no. I have done this code, I think, what, 5 years back or something. For I in what is that, yaar? What is that you can use? Range 45. Okay, 45 divided by 2, obviously, because nothing is divisible more than half of it. So range I for I in range 45 by 2, or like, okay, first of all, what will this print? You guys may be asking, like, first of all, what is this range 45? Range 45 will take it from 0 to n minus 1, that is 44. So even I need to make sure that it is starting from 2, it is not starting from 45. So the range is now going to be from 2 to 44. Okay, so this thing, and here I will give you a check, is prime is equal to false by default if I percentage, okay, if 45 percentage, number, if number percentage I equal to 0, okay, then make is prime equal to, by default it will be true, and here it will become false. Okay, that's it. You exit this and then you check here, if is prime equal to if is prime, print number is a prime number, else okay, number is not a prime number. Okay, let's run this code. 45 is not a prime number. Acha, we need to comment this one thing, that is range functionality. That's it. See, done. 45 is not a prime number. Now give me any other number that you would wish to check. It's prime, yes or no. Give any other number that you want to check. Okay, give any other number. Give any other number, just fatafat. So this is basically using a for loop and a nested if else, if, okay, and one more if else. 13. That 13 is a prime number. Is 13 a prime number? 13 is a prime number. Okay. So 77, I don't think so. 77 is a prime number. 77 is not a prime number. So very simple thing, guys. Okay, just remember this code if it comes in your exams and all. Okay, considering most of, or like all of you guys are like students studying here, there and all, that's the reason. Okay, fine. So now 147, okay, ruffle is not a prime number. Okay, so I hope this thing is done now. Let's just go ahead. Okay, now let's just move ahead to what's the next topic that we have got. Next thing that we have is functions. Okay, what is a function? Fine, what is a function? Okay, someone is saying check 1. I don't know why I'm checking. 1 is not a prime number, not a 1 is neither prime nor composite, right? 1 is okay. So for that, to handle that use case, if number equal to 1, print nor prime nor composite, else, okay, take this and take it inside. That's it. See, now when you put 1, so automatically nor prime nor composite. Okay, done, clear. Now what is 0? 0, acha, even for 0 you need to do this. Okay, 0 or number equal to 0. Okay, that's it, done. See, so this is the basic code for your entire prime number. 2 is a prime number, done. Okay, clear. So I hope you guys are now very clear about this thing. Sorted. 0 is also done. Now going ahead, what is a function? What is a function, guys? What is a function? Function is something like, if I have to give you a real world example of your own thing, that is, I as a student will complete a subject module at a time. Okay, I will not like do something here. I will complete this module 1 page now, 1 page later, 1 page this thing, 1 page that thing. So whenever you start studying, you will be like, at least I need to learn at least 2 things at a time. And whenever you want to like recap also, you will come to that entire module at once. You will not directly come up like, yaar, ye kya hai? Okay, not a good example. I'll not be able to connect you with this thing. So let me just take another example of when you guys are functions. When you guys are like a real world function use case, So whenever there is Diwali, okay, Diwali at your home, whenever there is Diwali season, for Diwali season there is a set checklist, right? Checklist 1, checklist 2, checklist 3, checklist 4. Diwali ka lights lao, kandil lao, firecrackers if it is allowed in your state anymore. And clothes, I need to buy clothes, I need to go ahead and clean my house, okay, get everything right, okay, so get Diwali puja also done. So this is a checklist which has been followed by ages. Yes or a no? Every one of you clear? So this entire Diwali comes with a checklist. Now that checklist is only running when Diwali is coming. So every year, whenever there is Diwali time, the checklist will run, and all of a sudden every one of us know that it's Diwali time, guys. So this is the procedure that we all need to follow. The same way, you don't do that here every year you innovate your Diwali celebration, right? Rarely someone does it probably. Okay, everyone just has a set tape recorder. It will play. I mean, tape recorder in the sense it's the same play that plays every year in Diwali. The same thing is here happening. The same thing is happening here. Now, what is it? A function is kind of like this checklist, which goes as archive and stays somewhere in the code. Whenever you want it, you will get it. Whenever you don't want it, it is just there. You don't have to write it again and again and again. You can repurpose the same code for various times. For example, the puja that you do on Diwali can also be repurposed in your some other occasions, okay, if you want to, Lakshmi puja and all. So that is what a basic function is. Now coming back to the topic, for example, if I want to find out is a number prime, yes or no, the code that I have written just now, if I want to copy this entire code and convert it into a function, before even doing that, let's write a basic function. def say hi, okay, print hey. It will take your name first. Name is equal to, you will take an input, hey, tell me your name. Give me 1 minute here. I need to basically take a call. I don't know, this person is calling me from a very long time. Just give me 1 minute. Done. Thank you. Bye. You know who the person was? That person was basically a delivery guy. He was calling me like continuously, tack. And I'm like, arey yaar. Okay, so fine. So where were we? We were discussing something else. Okay, I hope this entire thing is sorted now. Hey, what was it? Tell me your name. Okay, hey, then name. That's it. Okay, so can you hear me? Guys, properly? Okay, say hi. So now whenever I want to say hi, I just need to use this module that is say hi. I need to let's say something like Ankur. Okay, Ankur. Kya naam hai Ankur? Ankur Sinivar. Okay, so hey Ankur, it will just directly print hey Ankur. Okay, so now the same way you can use it n number of times. You're not coding those lines again and again, you are just using it again and again. Okay, L Joseph. Okay, so see, I'm so sorry if my spelling mistakes are there. That's an inherent of an engineering student that is in me. Okay, so Heath is also one student. Fine, done. So hey Heath, how are you? So these are all things that you can do. It can also do this, like print how are you. ठीक है, तुम इसको मस्त एकदम मजे से खेल सकते हो. You can basically play with it as long as you want. So this is how hey Heath, how are you? Okay, done. Fine. I hope this part is clear. This is a basic function. What it does, it takes the entire code, it's keep it in under one. It is packaged under one single thing, and you can use that thing again and again and again. That's what a function is. Okay. Now, going towards the next level. Okay, that's like wrapping up our entire this code. Okay. Now in this, what I'll do, check if prime. What is this? DEF is the reserved keyword. What is it? What is DEF? DEF is a reserved keyword. This is function name. Okay, this is function name, and this is the code. Now what all I need to do is I need to format this code properly. For that, I'm just using this tab. And one more thing you guys didn't ask me till now. Sir, why are you giving one space? This much space. Okay. This, how many? Two spaces. 2 or 4 spaces between the inner child and all. So this is known as indentation. Okay. Indentation. Okay. Indentation. For that entire thing, indentation basically separates your parent code and your child code. Okay, child block and parent block. Fine, very important concept in this thing. Now, def check if prime is running. Now, okay, number, instead of taking this number like this, you can pass number in a parameter. You can pass a number in a parameter. Okay. Now what is a parameter? Check if prime. This is the thing, right? I'll use autocomplete. For autocomplete, you can use control and space, and it will come automatically. Control space, and it will ask you, I need a number, and the number needs to be integer. So it's like I'm giving 56 as a number. I'm passing this 56. And it is giving me the output directly. So whenever I want to check if my particular code, if my particular number is prime, yes or a no, it will. I just need to call this one function. This function is written here, but I'm just not seeing the function. I'm just seeing the output and input. That's it. Clear? Got it? Every one of you. Now instead of printing, while it is printing, I also want certain output from it. What I need? I need certain output from it. So what I'll do is like I will return the value back to the main code. Understand this. This is main block of programming. This is main block of programming. My program, my number is going from the main block to the background. In background it is going, it is captured here, it is then performed here. Okay, it is then performed here, and after performing the operation, it is directly printing the thing. Instead of printing, if I want to send this back, send some value back to my main block, I will not be able to do. Did you understand what I just said? Okay, just I'll take 1 minute of Hindi here. I'll just take Hindi. आपका main block में से input parameter जा रहा है, you are passing on the parameter from your main block, but you want certain value that after manipulation, whatever the manipulation is done on the behind, I need the value out of it. For that, let's create a new function. Okay, so def, तो जो वैल्यू रिट्राइव करने का प्रोसेस है ना, वो वैल्यू वापस जो मुझे फंक्शंस है, हियर इज द मेन कोड, हियर इज द फंक्शन कोड, फंक्शन मेन. So from main, I am sending something to the function. Function is working on it, and function need to send back that package return to here. In this thing, it is not happening. It is just using our print screen to print things. In this entire example, it is not returning anything. My value is going from main block to this block, but this block is just printing it. It is not sending any value to it. Understood? Clear? Can I go ahead? Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Can we go ahead? What do you want to know? Clear? By the way, can you rate this particular class out of 10, 1 out of 10? So please, I need to know the how much rating will you give out of 10 for the setup, for the teaching, for the explanations, for everything. Okay, for the distraction. Okay, so it is not a prime. Fine. ठीक. Now we will just create another function, def sum calculation. ठीक है. I am passing number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. We'll just go. Give me some random math. Arey yaar, that is what a square is equal to b square is equal a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. I remember that. What is that? A square plus b square plus 2ab. What is this? Which formula is known? Okay, so let's just try doing this particular formula. Okay, we will just try to imitate this particular formula. Okay, sum calculation na. Arey yaar, why it is not coming? I'll just go and put it here. Arey, okay. A square plus, instead of this we'll just do plus. Okay, so a plus b whole square. Fine. Number 1, number 2. That's it. We need two numbers, right? We need a and b. So let's call it a and let's call it b. Two numbers, variable names, and return a into a is equal to a square plus b into b is equal to b square. 2 into a into b is what the thing is. Okay, entire thing we will put it in a bracket, just following BODMAS and all, and then do this sum calcu. Okay, calling our function, and we need something to hold our value. Answer is equal to, what is the value of a? The value of a is, let's say the value of a is 4, the value of b is 6. What should be the output? Okay, answer. The answer is stored in this. Whatever we have returned, it got stored into answer. We will just do answer here. Okay, it's 100. Is it right? First of all, tell me that. I don't even know. Is it right? Yes or a no? Calculate a square plus a plus b whole square. Okay. Oh yeah. A is 4, b is 6. Ayyo, what it is? AI, who is that? मैं सेशन में हूँ.
इसलिए बोला सॉरी.
हाँ, बाय. Okay, we did something wrong. A square plus. पता नहीं यार क्या गलत किया. ठीक है, फाइन, नो वरीज. आई डोंट नो. आई थिंक दिस इज रॉन्ग और दैट इज रॉन्ग. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज रॉन्ग, बट दिस इज द बेसिक कैलकुलेशन का आउटपुट. सो दिस इज हाउ you do return. So whenever you want to return some value back to the main block, you use that is return. Okay, so wherever you want to use this particular thing. Clear? Done? Okay, fine. Now let's just go to the next thing. We are done with functions also now. Modules. Okay, first of all, congratulate yourself. I think you are my first cohort ever where I'm getting you the entire recap of Python so fadafat, so quickly. Generally I do it very easy thing, but here I'm actually just rushing it out, but still you guys are there, so thank you, thanks a lot. And let's just get into modules. Now, what is a module? What is a module? I want to know the answer from you all. What is a module? So please tell me in the chat, what do you think? What is a module? What is a module? Tell me, every one of you, tell me what is a module. What is a module? Tell me. Okay, I'm not seeing any answers. Why? My chat is some different, any different? Yeah, I wanted to see all messages. Sir, please help with dictionary. Okay, fine, I'll do dictionaries and all, don't worry. We'll do dictionaries and everything after we complete modules. Okay, don't worry. Now, predefined collection of methods and functions. Wow, good, Rohan. Very good. So Rohan Patale, I don't know if I'm pronouncing your name right, but yeah, so he has given me a right answer. Predefined collection of functions and what methods. Okay, now methods and all will not go there because I don't know if you guys know about object-oriented programming in Python. I'll just be here. I'll just now go and make you guys roam around one thing, that is modules. Okay, so before we go there, we need to go and search something, that is pypy.org. Okay, what is pypy.org? Pypy.org is basically a place where you can find lots of libraries. Where you can find what? Lots of libraries. Clear? Done? I'll maybe just give me 2 minutes. I'll share you one of my no, leave. I'll show it to you later. Okay, it's one of my cool little project that I've been working on using Python. So I wanted to show you that, but I'll show it to you tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Okay, clear? Solid deal. Now this is nothing just but module is a collection of functions. Functions are also known as methods if it is a part of a class. So these are predefined Python files that you can import in your particular function, in your particular Python file, and you can use it. Okay, you can import this particular libraries in your Python file and use it. Clear? Are you with me till here? Are you with me till here? Yes? Okay. Now let's just go ahead and check out weather. Okay. No, I don't think so. It's working. Forecast or today. Okay, so let's just check it out. So see, now this pypy.org has got a weather application. Now I am just copying this. I'll go to here. I need to run this. So how I will run? I'll just put a command. If I have to run it in Google Colab, I need to place a exclamation mark and then enter. Okay, then enter. What will happen? It will just go ahead and download all the required this thing. It is downloading all the libraries that are used on our side. Okay, clear? See, NumPy, pandas and all, I'm not doing it for a reason. That reason is like any which ways that you guys are gonna learn it, okay, in 2-3 days. But the part is like learn something which you may not learn. Okay, so done with this, and I'll just go ahead and copy this. I hope this works. Okay, it's going ahead, running, I think. No, forgot. Really? I'm sure Mumbai should be there. काम नहीं कर रहा क्या? No, I don't think so. It is working properly. Oh, it is giving me an answer. It is 30 degrees Celsius. Okay. Can you give me your city name? Okay. So now see, all of a sudden, without knowing what was my temperature here in Mumbai, okay, what is the temp? I'm right now able to get that power from this particular thing into my Google Colab. Okay. So I'll just give me your city name right now. Let's try it out ourselves. So that's what is the basic modules and these libraries do for us. Okay, so these libraries generally just go ahead and check out like from the internet which are those classes that I need to download and get into my Colab, and once it is downloaded you can use it. So this is someone else's code that we are running. Give me the Patna, P-A-T-N-A, Patna. I just hope this works. And check it out with your basic 23 degrees Celsius. In Patna, it is 23 degrees Celsius. Hey, what is the time right now? It is 7:38. 7:38 means 19. 19:30. Okay. So in Patna right now, it is 19 degrees Celsius. Please tell me in the chat if it is 19 degrees Celsius. Okay. Let's try out. Let's try out Bangalore. No. Bangalore. Okay, so Bangalore, it is 19 degrees Celsius. I know, I doubt it. I doubt. I don't know. You guys can please tell me in the chat. Okay, maybe we will just do Wooty. Weather is a library. Yes, it's a library that we have imported. Okay. In Bangalore, is it 19 degrees Celsius? Let's check it out. Bangalore weather today. नहीं यार, ये तो गलत दिखा रहा है. ये कितने बजे का दिखा रहा है ये? ठीक है, no worries यार. If you play with it, you will understand it better and you will get a good sense of it, good hang of it. Or maybe let's try out Pune. 30 degrees Celsius in Mumbai was right, okay, because I am sitting here, I know it's 30 degrees Celsius outside. So it is right. Or else I think ये खत्म हो गया है. अरे नहीं काम कर रहा भाई ये. It is not working properly. There's some glitch in this. Okay. Pune 9:30. It's 28 degrees Celsius. Okay. Possible. Pune, it is possible 28 degrees Celsius. Okay. That's it. This is the thing. for the entire part. So let's just focus on few other aspects about these things. Okay, building a basic application. So let's just build an application right then. Okay, so I think this itself is a छोटू सा application that we have built already. I would like to spend the next 20 minutes in hosting a Kahoot quiz, okay, for you all. And this quiz is basically for you to test your knowledge about how much you learned till now. Okay, so I am sharing my screen. I hope you guys can see this. Okay, can you guys just go ahead and open kahoot.in. Okay, can you open kahoot.it and use this game pin. Okay, open kahoot.it and use this game pin. I just need 50 players here that I'll start the entire quiz. Okay, I'll start the okay. So Rohan is there. Hi Rohan, and use your original name. Okay, OG names. Fine. I need you all guys to come in fadafat ASAP. And only 6 questions from Python, general Python. It is not only limited to what I taught you, it is just for everyone. So we have 5-6 people here. I can see that people are joining in fadafat. For the people who do it actually good, okay, so they will get a shout out on our Instagram and other social media pages that you have done good in our learning process. So wow, now I'm able to see like 27, 28, okay, 30, 32, and here we go. Can we get fadafat every one of you just coming into this Kahoot? 30. I just need more 15 people to start this. Just go ahead and be a part of it. It's something amazing. You will love. Okay, so here we are. This is the code. How many of you joined? 41. 41 are there. 43 are there. Can you hear me? Can you hear this music? Okay, let's start. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. You will see the question here on the screen, and you guys have to select a color. Okay, you guys have to select a color, whichever you feel is right. Shit, yaar, my camera is. Shit. Okay, I've got more 30 seconds left. Can you do this fadafat? How many of you are playing? Okay. Returns the identity of a object. Okay, who is leading? Harsh. Now which Harsh is this? I don't know from where this Harsh is. Can you put a message in the chat? We want to see you. Okay, and the second question that we have, what is the maximum length of an identifier in Python? What do you think? What's the what is the answer, guys? I see 20 on my phone. That means that's your position out there. 30 seconds left. Okay, can you just go faster? This giving a Bahubali music, yeah. Okay, can you just go fast? Shit, this was Bahubali music, legit. I was about to skip it, but I was like, oh wow. Okay, 88 answers. Wow, nice. None of them mentioned above. You can literally have any kind of a character length for a variable. Identifier is nothing else but a variable name. A variable name or identifier. For functions, the thing that we use, that is an identifier. Again, Harsh is leading. Okay, what is the purpose of... Ayo, this you don't even... I have not even taught you, but this question is coming out of your syllabus. So it's all based on your luck. Okay, I need more answers coming in. Fatafat. To initialize class variables and attributes, to define the destructor of a class, to create a new instance of the class, to define the constructor of the class. Which one? What do you think? Tomorrow quiz which we will play, that will be purely based on whatever I have taught till now. Okay, clear? My one commitment from my side. Sorted? Last 1 second. To define the constructor of a class. That's where we use in it. Neha, who is this Neha, bro? She is like there. Harsh is there from the very start. Baki Hanma Furkan Abhay. Okay, we have more 2 questions left. In tuple, which function is used to return the frequency of a particular element? Yesterday I gave you this homework. Okay, if you remember. In tuple, see the question here in the YouTube and answer it on the Kahoot. That's how it works. 32 seconds left. See, there will be obviously 20 seconds. Whenever you listen something, you listen it like taking 20 seconds minus, because it's showing 20 right now, but the time it will be 20 to you. It will be done. It will run out of time because there is a timeout of 20 seconds. Latency. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. So the delay is of somewhere around 7-8 seconds. That's the delay. Count is an answer. Hey, we can see Neha has taken over. Oh wow, good Neha. Now next question, guys. In Python, what is a namespace? Answer. I have not taught you anything out of this. 46 it is right now. Thirty seconds left. 30 seconds left. Go ahead. 20 seconds left. I'm giving you in real-time calculation. Considering 10 seconds latency, you have 10 seconds left before the game ends. I think it's over for you right now, but it's still running with for me here. I'm at 78 answers as of right now. Names in a program, that is namespace. Harsh is out of picture now. Aziz is there. Aziz is here. Wow. Solomon, Matthew is there. Nida is there. One last question and see where the leaderboard will change. Okay, will the leaderboard will change? Next question. Hi Harsh, nice to see you, boss. Maybe one day session should happen in a Zoom or something. Which library in Python is used for data manipulation and analysis? Data manipulation and analysis. Which library? It's a tukka from your side now. Everyone is like, blue is the answer. Black is the answer, guys. Black. Or white is the answer. 6 seconds left, technically. 78 questions already done. What do you think? Who's the winner? Pandas is the answer. Who is on the podium? Take the screenshot on your mobile phone and that you are at this position and send it to support@letsupgrade.in. We will give you a shout out using your image and details on Let's Upgrade's Instagram, LinkedIn and YouTube. Okay, so take a screenshot of you winning first position and send us it on support@letsupgrade.in and we will be giving you a shout out, your name, your photograph, everything on our all social media platforms. I hope that is clear and good job. Who is this Neha, by the way? Can you please text us in the chat? Super, congratulations Neha and Aziz and Shubham. All three of you, please send your details to support@letsupgrade.in. We monitor it every day and we will find it out. Done. So how can I mute it further now? Chalo. Thank you. So this ends now. Hey, let me take a screenshot. I think I need a screenshot so that I can give it to my people. Tomorrow we will have a good different level Kahoot. Okay, so that's it guys, and for today the interview questions from today's entire thing, that's the last thing that we need to touch base, and then we end. Tomorrow we meet again and we take it ahead. Okay, interview question is basically control statement. So they are mentioned. Okay, please refer these interview questions whenever you are going for any kind of an interview. Prepare from this. We have got you covered. It has got all kinds of notes. I have personally done it along with my friend Prasad, and this is the entire notes using which we study sometimes. So please go ahead and make full use of it. Okay, these are the interview notes and take it ahead. Tomorrow we will be starting with pandas and data cleaning, and that's it. That's the entire tomorrow's agenda. So get ready for data analysis tomorrow, and let's get started on time. 6:30. I'll see you guys. Okay, thank you everyone for staying so long, and I hope you guys are enjoying this entire learning experience. So please give us your rating on Google reviews. Google reviews is the place. Just go and type Let's Upgrade. Okay, and here it will come on the side. It should come on the side. Where it is? Google business. Okay, just go here and please drop in your reviews. I need to collect lots of reviews here. Okay, lots of reviews. And that's it guys. Looking forward to you all. Thank you. Bye. Meet you all tomorrow. Bye. Take care. Have a nice day. And Any questions and all? We will see calculator project is such, we have already covered it in that function thing here. Calculator is not a big stuff at all. Okay, so you guys can do it. That's the reason I'm not getting into it. It's a so easy thing. I hope you all have understood. Notes where it is in the, see, it is in the pinned chat, in the chat box. Have a look at it. Okay, so bye bye, take care. We'll meet you guys tomorrow and take things to pandas. That's it. Bye. Chalo. Take care. Have a nice day. Meet you all tomorrow. Where is this YouTube? Bye. Take care. Have a nice day. Meet you all tomorrow. Bye. If you have not yet liked the channel, please like it now. Okay. Bye. Like the video, not the channel.